So for lighting, I will use this as HDRI, and this is really cool website. Cool. So let's use dome light. And I want dark background. Yep, so it's visible over here. And let me just read that. Venice. We can rotate this if you want, but overall this is fine. We can just increase this exposure a bit. Yeah, so this is more bright. And let me add grid as well. So without grid it's not that cool. And let me just increase. Yeah, this is fine. And I have to change color a bit. So I will go with 0.4. At the moment it's using CPU. And let me just snap this out. I want to check rendering speed as well. So let me just turn this off. Let's use full HD only. Cool. Let's just render to ambient. Yeah, smoke is not visible, but we will work on the shading later. But at the moment it's taking 52 seconds to render this, and I have other options as well. So if I go over here and I want to use this XP engine default settings over here, let me just run it. How much time will it take without changing any parameters? It's taking 15 seconds only, and it's extreme fast. As you can see, it's really cool. So we will go with XPU, and we have to work on this pyro shading. Let's do that next.